1-second setup requires no tools, no wiring and no professional assistance, and all batteries are included. Attaches magnetically to the screws in existing wall plates, simply snap in place and go. Snaps over rocker-style light switches and ideal for homeowners, apartment dwellers, renters and students. Sleek design covers exisiting wall plates for a clean look. Adds app-controlled timer and remote on, off to existing light switches and includes a built-in manual switch for easy control of lights at the wall panel. Compatible with Google Assistant for voice control, can also be paired with power by SimplySmartHome for Amazon Alexa and Google Home compatibility. Free Switchmate app available as free download for both Android and iOS mobile devices. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect as a timer replacement for older wiring. This is exactly what I needed. My family's business is in a very old building, so the wiring is not exactly up to snuff for the fancier timer light switches. Most of the new switches require a neutral wire, which I do not have. I needed a way to make sure that my sign was turned on by a certain time, and would turn off at a certain time. This is perfect for that. Initial setup was very easy, as was setting the timer. Now, my sign turns on at 4:30 and off at 10. And if I have to turn the sign on earlier due to overcast weather, it still turns off at 10. I have not used the Bluetooth functionality really at all, besides the initial setup, but that went very smoothly on my Galaxy S7. The only thing I wish it would do would be in the timer setup. You can set the switch to either turn on or off at sunrise or sunset, but not within a certain time of sunrise or sunset. For example, I would like my sign to turn on an hour before sunset, but you can only have the switch activate at a certain time, or at sunset exactly, not at a set time before. Otherwise, this thing is great. I plan on purchasing another soon.